Hi Year 11, it's Miss Noreen here, your head of year. I'm going to talk to you today about our assembly, which is based on confidence and me. Now, what is confidence? It means a lot of different things to different people, but overall what it means is that you believe that you can do this. How to build your confidence? It depends on who you ask, but generally actively seek discomfort. Keep trying new different things outside your comfort zone, things that perhaps you wouldn't challenge yourself about. Have a growth mindset. Believe that the more you try, the better you'll get at it. The comfort zone is about two areas. Confidence grows over here and over here. Seek discomfort. Have a growth mindset, and remember, no matter what anyone says, not everyone's perfect. If it matters, have a plan and follow it. It's always good to be organised. Find your team of supporters, people that make you feel better and lift you up. Don't be unsure, ask or find out. It's always the best way. Always replace negative self-talk with positive. So tell yourself, I am capable of this, I can do this, I will do this. Focus on the effort and not just the outcome. Sometimes we might not get the desired outcome, but what we do get, guys, is the effort that we put in and the sense of pride that we have when we do that. Visualize getting to success. So see your end goal, see how you'd feel, how it'd make you feel, and work towards that. Don't ever give up. Even if things don't go to plan, guys, don't give up, keep trying. And obviously celebrate every success. It might be small, it might be nothing to someone else, but to you it might be everything, so celebrate it. Model and copy how successful people behave. Look at positive role models. Sometimes they don't have to be in the media, they can be within your home. It could be your friends, it could be your teachers, it could be your parents, it could be anybody. But if they're a positive role model for you, look at them and see how they behave. Confidence building challenges. What would you get out of your comfort zone? Compliment yourself. You often hear me, don't you, Year 11, telling you that I'm absolutely outstanding. That's my confidence and me telling myself that it's a positive thought. Try a new sport or club. Help someone. In our year group, we push to be really kind to everyone and promote that. And a lot of you do that. So continue doing that. Set a goal to improve a grade. We're all going through our assessments at the moment and working towards our remote learning. Set a goal that you want to actually achieve so that you succeed in your learning. Be organised for a day or a week. Start with a day. For a week seems too much, and take every day as it comes. But plan, I will wake up on this time, I will do this and I will do that. You'll find it's a lot easier. Keep a success diary. I do this and I really recommend it, and I've shared it with a lot of you. I always tell myself how brilliantly I've done something and achieved something, and I read back on my low moments and it really helps. Make a new friend. Everybody deserves to have a friend, and everybody deserves the right to be treated with respect. And sometimes we find it hard to reach out, but making new friends is about learning about other people, and it's fantastic. Volunteer. At the moment, I know the climate's very different, but have the confidence to volunteer. Volunteer to help within school, even at home. If your parents are struggling with something, mum might come in from work and just want a cup of tea. Volunteer to make her that cup of tea and actively contribute to a discussion. It helps you develop your confidence overall, because that's something that a lot of us may struggle with. But the more you do it, the better you'll get at it. Now, the myths about confidence. A lot of people think that confident people don't feel fear. People are confident because they've done something really big. Confident feel confident all of the time. Confident people don't get criticised. Confident people get 100% right every time. I will never be confident. Guys, these are myths. Confident people don't feel fear. Confident people do feel fear. They just don't give up. Every small success can help you feel more confident. Remember, it doesn't have to be a massive thing. Everyone has things they don't feel so confident about. They may not share it, but trust me, we all have those areas. Everyone gets criticized. Spot how it can help you to improve. Positive criticism. Sometimes people are just trying to help you. Take things on board and see if those are things and areas you can further develop. And remember, everyone makes mistakes. Spot how you can learn from them. Life is too short to make too many mistakes yourself. Learn from others as well. And yes, you can. Many successful people have developed their confidence, so you can. All these stars that we see have had problems. Rihanna, for instance, used to be bullied in school. Look at her now, one of the superstars in the world. So if people can overcome it, you can too. How will you build your confidence? Think of at least one of these things that are on the screen for you. The benefit you will get from feeling more confident. Everything you can start doing to build your confidence. Action that will take you out of your comfort zone. I hope you've enjoyed this. Take care, and hopefully we'll see you all soon. Take care, bye-bye.